Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 22, India's role in the UN. In the previous video, we already learned about the United Nations. In this video, we will learn India's role in the UN. India is one of founding members of the United Nations who signed the UN Charter. It participated in the San Francisco Conference and became a member of the United Nations along with 50 other countries on October 30, 1945. India has always supported the principles and objectives of the UN. After attaining independence in 1947, India came out more forcefully to support and actively participate in the activities of the United Nations. India supported the UN in the boycott of the racialist regime in South Africa. Later, in 1990s, it re-established relations with South Africa after apartheid was abolished there. It gave full support to the Angolan liberation movement and to the cause of independence of Namibia. India has also supported Palestine, where Israeli troops have occupied territories. Currently, with the help of the UN, India is making efforts to eradicate child labor. Our country has served as a non-permanent member of the Security Council for 6 terms. India is a peace-loving country. It has regularly provided soldiers in the peacekeeping efforts of the United Nations. India's most significant contribution has been to restore peace and stability in countries like Korea, Congo, Iran-Iraq border, Egypt, and Sri Lanka. Over 55,000 Indian military and police have served the UN in 35 peacekeeping operations all over the world till now. India has also consistently pursued the objective of global disarmament. What is global disarmament? India supports a total ban on the use of nuclear weapons because nuclear weapons can cause mass destruction. This is global disarmament. India's greatest contribution is its foreign policy of non-alignment. This policy is also known as Non-Alignment Movement, that is NAM. It was adopted after the Second World War by Jawaharlal Nehru of India along with Joseph Broz Tito of Yugoslavia and Gamal Abdel Nasser of Egypt in April 1955. It was Nehru who coined the word non-aligned. What is non-alignment? In those days, USA and USSR, that is Union of Soviet Socialist Republics, were superpowers. All small and big nations joined them to make 2 military power blocs. However, India did not join either of the 2 military blocs and instead established the NAM. Many other countries of Asia and Africa also became non-aligned countries. As of 2012, the NAM has 120 member countries and 17 observed countries. Over the past few decades, the non-aligned countries have helped one another economically and have voiced a need for world peace and total disarmament. These countries believe that economic independence gives greater power than military strength. Thank you.